Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? Here you go. Here you go. Could you open the door for me? Could you open the door for me? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Would you mind turning down the music? Would you mind turning down the music? Not at all. I'll lower it. Not at all. I'll lower it. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Of course, I'll get it for you. Of course, I'll get it for you. Could you call me later? Could you call me later? Sure, I'll call you around 7. Sure, I'll call you around 7. Would you help me with this? Would you help me with this? Of course, what do you need? Of course, what do you need? Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. Could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money? Sorry, I don't have any cash on me right now. Sorry, I don't have any cash on me right now. Can you send me the details? Can you send me the details? Yes, I'll email them to you. Yes, I'll email them to you. Can you pick me up at 5? Can you pick me up at 5? Yes, I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there. Would you mind waiting for a moment? Would you mind waiting for a moment? Not at all. Take your time. Not at all. Take your time. Could you give me a ride? Could you give me a ride? Sure. Hop in. Sure. Hop in. Can you check this for me? Can you check this for me? Of course. Let me take a look. Of course. Let me take a look. Would you take a photo for me? Would you take a photo for me? Sure. Smile. Sure. Smile. How's it going? How's it going? Not bad. Just taking it easy. Not bad. Just taking it easy. In my opinion, we should do something else. In my opinion, we should do something else. I agree. I agree. I disagree. I disagree. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Thanks. I thought so too. Thanks. I thought so too. That's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. Do you have a better one? Do you have a better one? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me think about it for a second. Let me think about it for a second. Maybe. Maybe. Probably. Probably. Definitely. Definitely. Absolutely. Absolutely. That is true. That is true. That's not true. That's not true. I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're wrong. I think you're wrong. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? I'm going hiking with some friends. I'm going hiking with some friends. Where should we meet? Where should we meet? How about the park downtown? How about the park downtown? Sounds like a great idea. Sounds like a great idea. Do you want to grab a coffee? Do you want to grab a coffee? Sure. I'd love to. Sure. I'd love to. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. What's up? Yes, I am. What's up? I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. Can we reschedule? Can we reschedule? What's your schedule like? What's your schedule like? I'm free after 3 p.m. I'm free after 3 p.m. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon.